Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see light videos in Instagram. So to do that, head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then go to the rules section. And let's say I'm liking this video. I'm going to the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to your activity section in how you use Instagram. Here, go to the likes option. Now, as you can see, the video I have recently liked is in here. You can find it or found the videos like this too. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.